Hi, I'm Reena Thameja from Reen's Creations, Jaipur. So you can see the very beautiful collection this is the Ramzan season, festival season is there. So I've got very different stuff, very different variety, which is totally different from the market stuff. So, and it's totally designer and everything, each and everything is like originally created. So I'm going to show you few of the stuff which you'll really love it, and then you can just pick it up. You can see this with beautiful colors as the summers are also coming, so you can wear it in summer season, in the weddings. Skin friendly fabrics like Georgette, which is very soft. And you can see these are nice concept saris, beautiful with the sequins, zari and resham applique work. And this you can see beautiful tassels which are enhancing the sari and giving a very different style statement. And it's with beautiful patlis which are there with the layerings, so which is going to make it very exclusive. As you can see, this is in pure crepe with full, each and every block is like full highlighted with the work, beautiful like zari work, dora work, sequence, all together with a different color combinations, beautifully crafted and very classy look. Beautiful, it's on Kora silk fabric with beautiful handwork, resham work, chid, beads and nice multicolor combination which you can use in different styling parties also and marriage functions. Beautiful tassels, and each and every piece is enhanced with beautiful combination of the tassels you can see. You can see a designer concept pallu which is a style statement of the sari. Beautiful color, Kora silk. This color always gives a grace on the face with beautiful color combination of the work, nice multicolor, resham work, sequence, chid, beads and a smart pallu. Definitely that gives a very exclusive look to the sari with cute tassels, you can see. And very neatly the work is done. So people of Hyderabad are going to love this design a lot. Now you can see a very exclusive sari. This is a pallu of that sari, you can see, full of tassels. The shoulder is stitch ready, so it's kind of like a half stitch ready sari, tassel pallu sari, you can see. And this styling I've given with different kind of work fabrics, you can see. Nice in Kora silk. Now you can see, you must have seen like normal sequence saris, but this is special one. This gives a micro, this is very smaller, more smaller than the zero sequence. So it's very pretty, it's a softer fabric, it won't even poke the skin, and with beautiful designer border of the satin. So that gives a completely a classy look, you can see. Styling with the classy border, so that's very exclusive, you can see. And with different colors I have. Now you can look at the excellent piece, little different. You can see the front, this is full black with the beige, and now you can see the back. So it's a reversible sari. It's full grey color on the back side. And with nice, very smart design. So something different from the market, like party wear stuff also you can wear like semi-formally with cute border on it. Something with the tissue border, nice pleated. So now it's time for the cocktail party. So now you can see nice bling sequence, but a very designer piece with different styling of the sequence, not just the plain, but with the flower style. And nice cute beaded border and beautiful blouse of micro sequence, you can see. And nicely merged with Upada silk. So it's a nice combo of Upada silk. It makes it like styling with Indian and traditional both. Now I'll show you something like which is without bling but which is totally exclusive, and this is one of my hotcake selling product. You can see it's in crochet. And I have like plain crochets also, but this is a special one because it's with the digital print. I've given the digital prints here with cute colored tassels that gives the highlighting to the sari, and the patli part is different, which comes in the pure chinon. This you can see with nice multicolor border. So this is totally exclusive. This you can wear for the haldi functions, carnivals. So you need a different variety, which gives a totally different look and styling, which you can make even with the belts. You can wear this. So it's one of my favorite sari. Now apart from the georgettes, uparas, all shiny fabrics, now I'll show you something in cotton. So I have made something designer pieces in cottons. You can see this is beautiful applique work of batik. This is original batik with vegetable colors, and it is done with full applique work with nice, you can see the beads, Cody border. This, and this is on cambric cotton, which is one of the best cottons, best for the summers. So even the one people who wear like cotton stuff, I have very designer pieces in cotton. Applique work of original batik with nice Banarsi Gadi, you can see this Banarsi Gadi is also given in this, and beautiful beads work. And the blouse is full batik, original batik, you can see, and you love the fabric. It's so soothing for the summers, it is best. Now something with the sequence, but this is little different than the sequence. This is an Indo-Western kind of sari, and it has a special design. On the sequence we have given the handwork of pipe work, so that makes it very exclusive with beautiful color, you can see. And this is like the pallu part, so this is little heavier. So with the patlis we have given little lighter ring. You can see this comes for the patli part, pure chinon with the border on the bottom. So this is easy to carry also. Beautiful color which gives a nice bling, nice little highlighting with the work. So it's totally different and exclusive. Now here comes a beautiful elegant sari, you can see, with nice beautiful detailing work. It's full zari work, dora work, sequence, and you can see nice beautiful pallu, nice heavy with cute tassels according to the traditional style, so the traditional tassels. And since the sari is like full heavy, you can see even the patli part would be like completely heavy, and with different color shades of greens. You can see all the tone colors of shades green we have given in one sari. So this is very different and exclusive. And since the sari is full heavy, we have given the blouse little lighter so that it enhances the sari design. These are all my latest collections, and you can visit and grab the good variety of saris and lehengas. Thank you.